What's the meaning of Aryan? Aryan. Aryan.
Aryan. Aryan. The term Aryan historically referred to a group of Indo-Iranian peoples who migrated into the Indian subcontinent around 1500 BCE. However, in the 19th and 20th centuries, the term became associated with a racial ideology propagated by the Nazi Party in Germany. The Nazis believed in a supposed Aryan race, composed of white Europeans, which they saw as superior to all other races. This twisted version of the term led to horrific persecution and genocide against Jewish people, disabled individuals, and others deemed inferior by the Nazi regime.